My name's Ian Cameron. I'm the editor of Diesel Progress International. I'm here at the Perkins stand at the Bauma Munich show in Germany. I'm talking to Perkins about their key products on the stand and trying to find out a little bit more about their strategy for hybrid engines. Here at the Perkins stand at Bauma, can you outline what the key products are that you have on display here?
Yes, we're showing a full range of our Stage 5 engines here. So we've added an additional model, which is a 13-litre engine, and that's got 20% more power than its predecessor and 6% better fuel consumption. And this is one of just 14 different engines that we've got in our Stage 5 range.
Hybrids seem to be playing a key part of your presentation. Can you explain what the Perkins strategy is with regard to hybrid engines?
Well, there's a lot of interest in the market at the moment about hybrid and electrification strategies, and this is something we've been working on in the background for a number of years, and certainly we've stepped up the investment in the last 2 years. What we feel on this is that the solutions that have worked on highway are not going to carry across to our industry, and furthermore, the difference between different construction machines is such that you will need multiple different solutions. So to illustrate this, here at Bauma, we're showing 3 engines, 3 different flavours of hybrids that will meet the needs of 3 different kinds of construction machines and their different operating cycles.
You're obviously working very closely with the OEMs to achieve their ambitions. Can you outline how you help them with their development programs?
Well, we know that OEM research and development departments are under pressure. They're under pressure from emissions and all of the other compliance that they need to meet around the world. And also pressurised by the features that they need to add today to keep their machines competitive. But they're they've got this demand to plot out a future product path as technologies like hybrids and electrics come on. We think that by them working with us rather than going alone, we can help them get to that future path at a better cost. We think we can get them there faster, and we think we can help them get a better result.
Okay, Oliver Lithgow on the Perkins stand at Bauma. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.